Yo, what's up? I'm Baha here, and this over here with me is the Xiaomi Redmi 90. Today we'll be talking about a few tips and tricks of Android phones that I think are incredibly useful. Some of them can be incredibly easy, some of them you use them nowadays, some of them you already know, and you might actually find it incredibly ridiculous that I'm mentioning it. Nonetheless, these tips and tricks can actually save someone's life, or maybe even save their phone from damages in the future. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so the very first tip that we will be learning today is actually how to do a hard reset for your phone. So in order to be able to do that, the first thing you will want to do is to power off the phone. So let's just hold the power button and then we hit the power off. We power it off. Alright, now that the phone is completely dead, you want to have one finger over here on the power button, and you also have one finger over here on the volume button. You click these two simultaneously together for a few moments. As soon as you feel a minor vibration and the word Redmi, you release your hands off of that. So right after that, as you could see over here, you could see that, just give me a second, let me adjust the focus. You could see over here it says main menu, and it says reboot, and it also says wipe data, and it says connect with me assistant. What you want to do here is actually to go to wipe data, and then you want to confirm it with your power button. And as soon as you are done with that, you will have another confirmation to be able to do it. So you will wipe the data again, choose the exact same option. And after that, you want to confirm the operation using the volume keys and the power button again. So after that, once you are done with wiping your data, which basically just formats your phone brand clean, and then you want to come back here to this menu, you'll be led here. Then you just hit the reboot button with the power button to be confirming it, and then you just hit reboot system. So what this phone basically does to the phone is that it will restart it, and now your phone is as good as new, with the password removed and literally everything. So basically you're just getting your phone in a brand new condition right now. Now let's move on to the next tip. Alright, now that we are back from the hard reset, now we will be talking about how to do a factory reset for your phone. Basically, this will set it back to all of the options that the phone came with when it has come from the factory. So it will make it brand new. If you are planning to sell your phone, or you just want to clean it up for whatever reason, then I think that you will definitely find this tip useful. So first of all, let's unlock our phone, and then after that we will scroll down. We will go to the settings of the phone, which is right here. Alright, and then after the settings, we will go to about phone. My phone needs to be updated, but I'm not going to do that right now. And then after that, we will scroll down until we see factory reset here. And then after that, we will choose wipe all data, which is erase all data. My bad. Erase all data. This button over here. It took me some while. Erase all data, and then you just want to press next, and this will set your phone back to the factory reset options. The next tip we'll be talking about is actually a really simple one for most people nowadays, but I believe that some people still are not fully aware of that, or they might need some help. So we will be talking about how to add a fingerprint to your phone to quickly unlock it, just like this. You see, just by tapping it here. So what you want to do here is actually you want to scroll down through your phone, alright, and then you want to go to the settings over here, and you will be here. And then what you want to do is go to passwords and security, and then go to fingerprint unlock. I'm not going to type in my password because I already have my fingerprint unlocked, but as soon as you're done with this field, then you will find the button called add fingerprint. You click on that, you follow the instructions accordingly, and put your finger of preference. For me, on my left hand it's usually this button, and on my right hand it's usually my thumb over here. And as soon as you are done with all of this, then you just close your screen again, and then just give it a test, and it should work perfectly fine. So that's how you can add a fingerprint on your phone. The very next tip we'll be talking about is even much easier than the fingerprint, but again, I believe that some people might not actually know about it out there, so it could be incredibly useful for someone out there. So what you want to do next is actually know how to add a lock screen or a password. So something like that, just to protect your phone from anyone exposing or using it. I'll use the fingerprint to unlock my phone, and then right after that we will go to the settings, which I will do from here just for convenience purposes. We'll go through the settings, we'll scroll down here, go to passwords and security, and then we have the password over here. Here I have a password, so I will need to type this out, but I'm not going to do this right now. But as soon as you actually type this out, what you will see is that you can either set a pattern, a pin, or a password. Whichever of them that you choose, eventually you will have to confirm that you need to remember your password. Then you will just set it up, and as soon as you're done following the instructions, just close your phone. And I'll purposely open it with the wrong finger. You just zoom up, you should see the screen, use fingerprint or password over here. And this should request your password to be able to log into your phone. So this should protect it from any external attacks. Again, majority of us already know about this nowadays, but some people still don't. So there's that. The fifth tip that we'll be talking about right now is actually how to block a phone number on a Xiaomi Redmi 9T or any Android device in this case. So basically what's going on here is that, let's say for example you have somebody who's annoying you, maybe you block them on WhatsApp or all social medias, but they won't stop calling you and you just don't know what to do. Blocking their number for good is actually the really good solution that you should be aiming for. So let's unlock the phone first of all. And then over here you could see the phone button. You click on that, and then you could see these three dots here. No, not this one. Over here you could see these. Then you just press over here, and then you have blocked numbers here. You click on that. You click on add number. You add the number, and then you will find the button that says block. Just press on block, and this number should not be able to disturb you again. Let's move on to the sixth. The last tip that we will be talking about in this short video is actually how to change the phone language on your phone. This one has actually been a really interesting one because it is very simple, yet I needed it for some time because this phone came in Malaysian language and I really need some help to get it in English. So what you want to do first is that regardless of the language, you want to go to the settings of this icon, and then you'll go here, you'll find it over here. You want to press additional settings, you want to go language inputs, languages, change it to the language, and that's about it for this very short clip of how to actually change the language on your phone. So thank you very much for watching. And that's about it for this very short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have found this helpful and if you have liked it, then please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also make sure to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Within the next few days we will be having part 2, 3 and maybe even a part 4 if it is long enough, because we have a lot more tips and tricks that I think might be very useful to you and they could save your life one day. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.